Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name's Matt Cook and I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits. And this vacancy is for a furniture assembler role based in Craven Arms. Now the hours on this are working between the hours of 8 till 4:30 Monday to Friday. The actual job, in an ideal world, they'll be looking for somebody who's perhaps got carpentry skills or joinery skills, someone who's got the ability to use air tools and assemble. The role will be, how can I put it, it's working Monday to Friday, it's a 12-week contract and the pay rate starts off at £12.21 an hour, but what I can assure you is this: if you prove yourself within the 2 to 3 weeks of working there, your money will go up. And this contract has been known to increase their wages 2 or 3 times each step they've moved up the ladder within the 12-week temp to perm period, which is quite phenomenal. So if you're interested in this role based in Craven Arms, then please call 01746 768 666 or email me, Matt, and that's mcook@kudosrecruits.com. And if you want to see more jobs from us, because there's going to be a lot more jobs coming through on Jobs TV, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.